I've been working on upgrading my living room, and I found something that instantly changed the vibes. Velvet curtains from JoyDeco. And if so, this video is just for you. Family, I did put all of JoyDeco's information down in that description box, along with the curtains that I picked out link as well. I have included my other channel links down in that description. Check them out and become part of the family. Most affordable curtains are thin, they don't block light, and they just don't look luxurious. That's where JoyDeco comes in. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Her Home Is. I'm Tammy, and if you are returning, welcome back, family. I've been working on upgrading my living room, and I found something that instantly changed the vibe, and it is these velvet curtains from JoyDeco. Most affordable curtains are thin, don't block light, and just don't look luxurious. But JoyDeco solved that problem for you. All of their curtains comes with the premium curtain Decorate Your Life guide. This fabric has a plush velvet feel. It also has a premium look. They are 100% blackout. They are thermal insulated. They are energy saving as well, and they also help with noise reduction. You can use these in your living room, your bedroom, your theater room. My golly, you can use these anywhere. And as you see, I have a grommet top. But they also have rod pocket and the back tab as well. They are 1/6 inch, you guys. They are heavy for the price point compared to the competitors. Guys, typically for a set of great drapes or blackout curtains, I'm still paying anywhere from $55 to $200. And sometimes that is a single, not for the pair. This is a pair. This is two. And you guys, I'm going to put the price on the screen. It's super affordable. So they do beat the competitors' prices. ready to upgrade your space, check out JoyDeco's velvet curtains. I'll leave a link in the description. And they've given us an exclusive discount code, which will be down in that description as well as on your screen. Affordable, luxurious, and practical. That's why I chose JoyDeco. JoyDeco for sponsoring today's video. And you guys, subscribe for more home decor inspiration. I wanted something luxurious, blocked out light,